Hello. Happy morning. It's Saturday. Today is April 20, guys. So in Las Vegas, there is an event here in Lakewood. Okay, it is a seminar in Las Vegas, and a lot of leaders are there right now. Unfortunately, I was not able to go, but yes, I was able to join our live stream for later. It will be on 9:30 a.m. Okay, so great updates here in Live Good, guys. We have already launched our weight loss product. Okay, correction, it's a weight management product and it's only 19.95. So check it out in our shop and also our whey protein. It's already there. So I'm gonna screen share here so I can teach you how to check our website. Okay, so in my shop, okay, go to livegood.com/good health for you. Okay, click shop on the top right, and then these are our products. Okay, and here we have our whey protein. You can click more about this if you want to learn more, and it's actually $29.95 for our whey protein isolate with colostrum. So this is really good, guys. I have checked the ingredients here. As you can see, yeah, there you go. Okay, these are good stuffs for your body. Okay, and it's 100% grass-fed, pasture-raised, non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, and sugar-free, and all natural ingredients sourced 100% from U.S. sustainable farms. All right, so this will help you optimize your lean muscles. Ayan, guys. All right, so there you go. We have those seal, caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, GMP certified, keto, non-GMO, and nut-free, soy-free, okay, with the third-party lab tested, and of course, it's sugar-free. So grass-fed, peanut-free, pasture-raised, and then shellfish-free. Okay, 100% egg-free. I like that. And then lactose-free. Wow. And BSE-free. I don't know about this, but yeah, we have that. TSE-free. Okay, preservative-free, paleo-friendly, gelatin-free, no artificial colors. Wow. So how to use? Mix one scoop in the water or any smoothie and just take it right away. All right. So other protein is really expensive. Okay. And this one, what amazed me here is that it is 846 grams of whey protein. So that's a lot, right? So this is twice as much in our the protein, the plant-based proteins. So on the other hand, so if somebody likes our plant-based protein, we have it also. Okay, this is only $22 for a 467 grams of plant-based protein. So our plant-based protein is pea protein, that's hemp protein, fermented protein, and with amino acids. Okay, and then at the back, okay, you can see the label. So this is good for 15 servings. The scoop is very big. It is very large. Okay, so I love our plant-based protein also. It tastes really good. It's vanilla flavor. And the whey protein is chocolate flavor. All right. So we have other products actually. Yeah, my favorite products are all always super greens and super reds. Super greens good for digestive health and super reds good for our heart health. Okay. And then we have organic coffee. We have also CBD. Okay, CBD for pets. Also, we have that. And our new product, it's the Lean Body Composition Improvement Formula. Supports weight management, boost metabolism, and decrease body fat. Okay, you click here, guys, for the learn more, and you can see what's in it. Okay, click this one. Okay, there we have some vitamin B12, chromium. Okay, there is a konjac extract. Okay, berberine green tea extract, and this one caralluma. This one is a great one. A CLA powder, L-carnitine, and some digestive enzymes, right? And then white kidney bean extract, hops extract. All right, this is only $19.95. So Important guys, limit for 1 order only due to delay receiving this product from our manufacturer. Orders of this product will not ship until Wednesday, April 24, 2024. All right, so get one. And so you can try our lean body composition improvement formula. And you can read about it here in my site, okay? Suggested usage, take 2 capsules by mouth before meals, okay? But it has here a note, best taken every day. Okay, for maximum results, it's best to take 2 capsules 3 times a day. All right, so that's our great news for today. And so we will be waiting for our for the event, okay, for 9:30. So keep plug in here in our Zoom or in our videos, live videos, and we will share the updates for later. Thanks for watching. See ya.